Hello everyone, and welcome to this review of SmartTools and SmartLevels. The chart configuration is the same as yesterday, and today I'll try and focus on my favorite setups for the day. First thing I'm going to do is back up to yesterday's price action. That's these blue bars here. So you can see the market moved up in the overnights. These short setup bars did not trigger, however, this setup bar here did, the short setup. The entry and the targets were above the lower smart level. This is a good trade to take in my opinion. I like this setup. I would have expected the market to go down and test yesterday's lows from here. It did not. It was a losing trade. The market reversed here higher. I like this trade a lot because the entry is above the smart level. The targets are very close to this overhead smart level, and in fact the first profit target is coincident with it. The market doesn't quite reach the second level before backing off, and the short setup bar has one target on one side of the smart level and the other target on the other side of the smart level. The next trade setup is very much like the first. The entry and the targets are above this smart level here. And here's the trade of the day, in my opinion. This 695 area of support by the smart level held very nicely. The market reversed here. Both profit targets are underneath this smart level. The market goes a little higher, pulls back, another setup. I like this setup. The entry is above this smart level, even though both targets are above it. And that's a reason for caution when you're trading, of course. It's very reasonable to expect the market to go up and shoot for this smart level here. In fact, it did, but only the first profit target was reached. Before pulling back, the market stopped on a dime on this smart level here before reversing higher. The setup bar is another great setup in my opinion. The entries above this smart level and both targets are below this overhead smart level. A little consolidation in here. The market breaks up over the smart level, over the high of the day so far, and breaks out. Now, I generally like my setups to trigger within 2 bars. This is almost 2 bars. It's very close. These bars are the same price range, and it's very close. If you don't if it didn't get triggered in 2 bars, it would have gotten triggered with the setup bar here and still have reached at least the first profit target. You can see the market did have a tough time, however, breaking through this overhead smart level. It finally did. The software kept us in the trade, and another setup presented itself. This is a good setup. The market finally the trade has an entry above the smart level after the smart levels rejected it for several bars, and then it finally breaks out of the smart level and over these highs and goes right to target. And we're into the lunch hour at this point, so that's all there is for today. So long for now.